Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to sell digital products like PDFs courses, files, or Photoshop courses, for example, programming courses or whatsoever, Wix makes it super easy basically. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you how to actually sell them digital products on Wix in the 2026 version. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, number one, basically you should go ahead, open Wix dashboard. To do so, all you're gonna do is plug in your device, go and look for wix.com in the search bar. After this, you will be able to see this website that you're gonna tap, so we can access this dashboard by logging in using your email address and password. After this, you would be able to see multiple options here, including your sites, marketing, marketing home, email marketing, referral programs, and everything. For me, I'm on basically a website that talks about a restaurant, but for you, you should be able to pick. First, you should basically be able to pick a website that talks about products or digital products or whatsoever. It depends on you, so I'm gonna go and try creating a new site and I will show you how. Well, this is the Wix site creation. You can even basically use AI to set up your website. It would do you more than good. You can also try that. For me, I'm just gonna go normal, so I can actually show you how to do so. Okay, it's loading. So as you see here, first, what is your site all about? Here, for example, we type digital product. Okay, then we're gonna go to continue here. Okay, product, customizing the next steps for you, which will take some time since AI is also involved in this steps. So they're gonna tell you enter or choose a name for your site. For example, let's go PDF devs. Then we're gonna go to continue. Enter or select your site goal, increase online sales, drive product revenue, build a loyal community. We're gonna go with that. Then we're gonna go through continue. Finding the right site apps for you, so which will take also some time. It's totally alright. Okay, as for now, when it's fully done, we can also skip to dashboard if you want to. Okay, let's try this since I want to actually show you how to add a new product there. Okay, find the right site apps for you, still loading. Anyway, so basically when it's fully done, they're gonna give you a dashboard that looks like mine here. All you're gonna do is select products. As you see here, for me, I have sales orders. All you're gonna do for you is select products, go all the way, add products, then upload your PDF, zip file, video, or even digital content that you are trying to sell. Okay, for example, taking you to your site dashboard. Okay, as you see here, personalizing steps in your setup guide. That's totally alright. So as I told you, upload your digital content, then search product details, including name, prices, description, and every other detail. You can also basically tap on this AI button to help you. It will open a chat where you can ask questions and all of that. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.